SNAP test guidelines. The candidate is required to report at the test center latest by 1 pm. The test procedure will start at 1:30 pm. Any candidate those who will report after 2 pm are not allowed for the test. Bring the following documents while reporting to the test center: admit card, photo identity, any one of the following: passport, driving license, college or institute identity card, credit card with photograph, voter ID card, blue or black ball pen, cell phones, calculators, watch calculators, alarm clocks, digital watch with built-in calculators, memory or any electronics gadgets will not be allowed in the examination hall. Occupy the seat allocated to be by verifying the seat number posted on the desk and indicated in your admit code. The test invigilator will check your admit code. The test booklet will be distributed just before the starting time of the test. The candidates to ensure that the booklet is in sealed condition. If the seal is found broken or tampered with, please bring this matter immediately to the notice of the invigilator. At 2 pm, the test invigilator will instruct you to open the seals of the test booklet and comments answering the test. Check immediately that all the pages of the booklet are in order. In the rare event of the test booklet being defective, bring it to the notice of the invigilator immediately, who will arrange for the replacement of this booklet if required. Direction of the test in 2 hours from 2 pm to 4 pm. To answer the questions, the candidate may attempt any section in any order. The candidate will not be allowed to leave the hall till the test is over and until the invigilator collects the answer OMR sheet at 4 pm. The candidate will be allowed to leave the hall only after the answer OMR sheets of all the candidates in the hall have been collected and accounted for. Candidates found using any unfair means will forfeit their chance of being considered of admission and will be deported from receiving SNAP scores. Invigilator or symposies. Test secretary representative will stamp and authenticate your admit code. Please preserve this admit code for further selection process of individual institution. Please note that no duplicate admit code will be issued in case it lost by the candidate.